Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with another set of nails for our Friday content. Just starting off trying to attempt to do French. French is something that I really struggle with, whether it's hand painted or with acrylic, and I thought, you know what, let's push myself and start trying to practice to do a French, and hopefully I will master it one day. So the first colour we're coming in with is a Tears Beauty Core in Naked. This is an absolute stunning core. It goes with anybody's skin tone. If you really want to try it out, please do, and you can more than welcome to use my discount code Dizzy10 at the checkout. And we're just literally going to do this French reverse smile on all the fingers, hence I did say I wanted to practice somewhat. I did notice as I was editing this video though that I was completely off camera at the tips, so I do apologise for that, and it is like that. It's not all the way through but quite a bit through. Really need to be checking my monitor more to see that I am actually in focus and that you're not missing any bits. Though I don't feel like you did miss bits, it's just the tips that's got nothing on at the moment on. I'm using my brush to manipulate the acrylic to do that free edge of the smile line, and then once I've done the smile line and then coming in with extra beads behind that to do the cuticle area and the apex. Because this is a core powder, you can build with this. It is advised to build with this because it saves you doing all the capping later on over the top if you'd have done this thin. Plus giving you that smile line edge, it helps to put any extra acrylics down that you want to, so it can be butted up. So this is what we're just doing. I did actually use the GLITTERBELS Extreme tips again on this hand. I do find that they actually go on quite well with this hand, to be fair. They was too long for me. I did buy them for me to put on, but they was just way too long, so save them going to waste. I thought I'd start using them on my practice hands so that we can get some bigger designs if I need to. And it gives that nice stiletto finish. They're really nice shapes too. And I've also got a discount code below with that as well if you want to check that out. It'll be in the description box. We're coming in with Tears Black, and it's super pigmented, this black. I'm actually using my 3D brush for this though, as I only wanted a little tiny thin line around the smile line, and it really helps this brush to get down the sides and the nooks and crannies. And then I'm just kind of washing it out because I'm wanting a kind of ombre look with it. And we're just going to put this on all of the nails. And once we've placed all the black on, we're going to come in with my very favourite yellow, which is High Vis. I love this yellow. You'll probably see it quite a lot on my videos because I love it so much. And then we're just going to put this on the rest of the nail and then try to ombre it, but don't worry too much if it doesn't give a perfect ombre, because we will be coming in with a glitter after we've done these. It really gives me like a proper summer vibe, these nails, and I'm really missing not wearing my acrylics, but I'm stuck with gel polish again for a while as I'm crafting, and long nails do not go. But I feel like next time I wear some, I might do this, but in an orange version instead of yellow, because I'm bugger for always wearing yellow, so maybe go for yellow and orange at some point. Now I've done that, we're going to come in with cashmere, which is a very, very fine glitter. It's not one glitter acrylic that I go to very much because I do like the chunkier glitters, but I did find that this looked so much better than a chunkier glitter in my opinion, just because it gives you that daintiness rather than the big chunkiness of a glitter. And I'm just putting that around over the black and over the yellow, but then I'm not taking it all the way down to the free edge because I still want some of that yellow showing through on its own. And once we've done them, I'm going to come in with the crystal clear from Tia's Beauty, and we're going to be capping that free edge around the smile line, making sure all the acrylic is covered, because when we come to filing we do not want it to be removed, so it's important that we make sure we do that. Plus you want to fill that gap in from where the ledges of the naked acrylic. And then once they're all capped and the acrylic set off, then I'm going to do some filing. I do try my best in this one to try and show you how I do file, just because I very rarely put this in when I'm using the hand, just because it's so hard to actually file and use the hand as well. So I'm just giving you a quick glimpse on how I actually do my filing, but on this hand I tend to do actually take the tips out. And then once cleaned up, we're going to come in with the SBD London top coat. I am actually using the dregs of this top coat, hence that's why it's taken me so long, but I just do want to throw the top coat away because there was still some in there, but it was right at the very bottom, and as I'm not working on a human, I don't mind faffing around to get the last bits out. And that's my nails done, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.